watch. This is Sir B. So they might talk about the Donnalee case that come out in the news, say, you know, a woman used her card in Portland and Maitland lawyer. I say, we need to look if, check it because maybe she's alive because the card used in Portland. So apparently this whole time Donnalee is hiding out in Portland. And just decided I'm checking her hotel, use my card. This is not even worth talking about in terms of, right, because what I'm trying to say is, Lego Maitland cause she alive, she just hide out and she don't want to come back home. There's no depth to which these lawyers will sink. Right. When time they might try help them clients bust case, but that's how the game go. And that's for them game that. By the way, Jasmine Dean's card was also used after she went missing. Jasmine Dean also apparently just hiding out somewhere. Remember the youth use Jasmine Dean card? I'll take off all money off it. So that showed me that at some point we would take the card from her. Would have gotten the pin code from her. Which would be easy enough to coerce out a defenseless female. Donnalee card getting used in a hotel. The judge said, alright, bring the footage come. If them can't present the footage, then that means say a Maitland and him lawyer them behind this. Right, the whole setup about female going are them orchestrated. If any other hotel say, oh, we can't find the footage, that means the hotel, Maitland, him lawyer and him friend them behind this. And them send a female go and go use the card. Maitland and that girl is in a relationship. They may know about her card, them gonna know all the pin and everything. Any how that hotel said they can't produce the footage. Right, of quote unquote Donnalee. Right. Checking in because you can't check in a hotel with your face covered up and mask up. They might go want to see your face. So if them say they can't find the footage, and them hotel boss friend and the whole of them are conspire some Nancy story. We're not trying to push them out of the unicorn business. We don't believe you. I not say the card never used, but Donnalee using it, rubbish. So the judge give them some months to go find the footage and carry come. Me a wait for the footage, Any how that hotel say, they can't find the footage, more on which hotel. Mr. Hotel boss, they better make sure say in a part of it because your hotel gonna get real famous. Any only thing so they can conspire with the foolishness. Right? You see, every time people dead and gone missing, some Mickey Mouse story jump out afterward. Remember, Gaza Slim, they say lizard. Right, stick her up. Remember that? After lizard dead and gone how long? Right. Two them want to say, see lizard still alive. Gaza Slim. Introducing the wicked kerosene, Vanessa Bling. Say lizard robber. Stick her up with him tail. Vanessa Bling, which part lizard have you? Lizard have the Sharingan. And just come away. And he could have come away and appear in front of anybody. He chose Vanessa Bling. Pimpin, which part that happened? Them little foo-foo story is used to put out to plant seeds of doubt in the Jamaican public because they think everybody at Jamaica a fool. I'm telling you already, I say Maitland a producer now. There's enough people in the entertainment industry, the political machine, right? When them sit down at daytime at all, them, right, very convinced, say, them fans and the people, them, right, are complete dummies. So in my plan story, the story them in my plan is utter rubbish to anybody who have even, right, a scrap of sense. But they're banking on the fact that enough people, right, can be so stupid to run with it. Right, that's what they're banking on. So somebody will go, what? Donnalee card using a Portland? That means that the girl alive. So this, and then you know when people start, so that means she hide out, you know, set up the man. So me I say, so cause true Maitland it, the big rhythm and the rhythm shot, and them see dog I make beer money. Them a try fight against the dog. Me I tell you, so them fight against ghetto youths. That's what they're banking on. Mr. Lawyer, you're too much strong. By the way, I notice the record company where Maitland help found, cause me tell them say Maitland is just not a regular squaddy. Remember at first it was like police officer and everybody they get well excited because them thinks it was like a traffic cop. Maitland produced and what the fuck, of all the things he did, the least was police work. That's why even your favorite artist go look for him when him in jail. Cause big fuss. On a regular squaddy. Maitland Lawyer, by the way, him in a music too. Love a video light and love to be seen. Anywhere look a young boy have a look of vibes in turn up. Love a spotlight. You know, this is now them the backbone of them case, you know. So now Donnalee alive because she used car down a Poland in a hotel. All on the people with legitimate businesses who help criminals in any way, shape or form, we never go start face consequences. When time man come to you, you can't help this out for me, so I can't help it. I wanna work with it. And then not come out of it, them days I got done now. Find the footage of Donnalee using her card. If it's a hotel, there must be some kind of reception area. In and around, there must be some kind of camera. The judge say find the footage. Me I wait on it though. And you wouldn't even need footage because Donnalee's face is viral upon viral. There's no Jamaican when you know what Donnalee look like. If she go anywhere in Portland, you see they make sure pick Portland because what I try to say is Portland are like some weird road and one bush part, so nobody understand nobody, so that's why she hide on this. So Portland people have phone too. They have internet too. I'm sorry to break it too now. Let me just say Donnalee. Them are gonna Donnalee that. You won't even need footage. That this too. The amount of picture and video with a snap. Cut it out. People are say, this is insensitive because them well know said the girl dead. And the girl family will miss her and them a come on to this and talk about she's still alive and us a hide her Portland. It's insensitive. We don't care about insensitive. Remember I see me when it's a lizard alive and I hide. But it's just that we don't care about lizard. We don't think a lizard are smarty. So that never insensitive when they tell lizard family say my life too. Him just a hide out and a lay low. So them can help quote unquote set up your boss. That wasn't sensitive. When things don't care about insensitive. Cut the crap. You support lawyers and their tricks against people you don't think are of any value. When there's somebody you like, all of a sudden you're in touch with your feelings. This case can't go anywhere now. Because me already see people that try size it up to one of favorite artist case. I say, see me body come missing and see me. So if Maitland bust this case, what am I gonna do is then juxtapose it to the world spread case and say, see, this is another example of how to do. When in reality, dummy, the two cases are not actually that similar. Because in one case, there is no witness and everything so far is circumstantial evidence. Even though you can be convicted on circumstantial evidence, right, contrary to popular belief, it's just harder. Stephen Carswell, the big uptown brother there, remember him? He was convicted on circumstantial evidence. But, cause him a big uptown man, and he don't fit the narrative of them a fight, they go to youth, people just ignore that case there. Your favorite artist was not convicted on circumstantial evidence. They are direct evidence. Meaning they had a witness. Meaning the man with the kill get me and testify against him. Maitland never have nobody else in the house who will not try to kill and then get me and come testify against Maitland. The two cases are not the same in terms of the level of difficulty to get a conviction. If Maitland did have Donnalee and the next girl in the house to kill the two of them, and then one get one and come testify against Maitland, and then Maitland busts the case, then you have a point. But at the moment, you can't go anywhere. Can't go anywhere. But on the law people busting case, no? When time of people who like kill somebody when they say free so and so, free so and so. No? On the bar for free so and so. Until that's somebody wanna like. Until that's somebody who wanna care about. Until that's somebody who's popular. Until that's somebody whose life is of value to you. The prosecution, if on top of them game, they can still sink him. Even with just the circumstantial evidence, because that's pretty strong. When prosecution are going a case, ideally they want direct and circumstantial evidence if we go in front of the court. But if we go see how it go. But since Donnalee, I use car down at Portland. We can see footage now. Hotel boss, we can see footage. Imagine that. One of the most viral faces over the last 3 years. Just walking around Ironman and the badness. Man can't use. Your Honor, she's still alive. Free me client. You can see. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.